조금 비싸요. 조금 비싸요. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 조금. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 조금. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 276. 조금. 조금. This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is jo, second syllable is gum. Pronounce it with me. 조금. 조금. The word 조금 is an adverb used to express that something is just a little in terms of amount or degree. Again, 조금 means a little. How do we write 조금 in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is jo. This is written by drawing first a jiot character followed by an o character. The second syllable gum is written by drawing first a giot character followed by an u character followed by a mium character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 조금. So that's jo plus gum. It's 조금. 조금. Now let's try to look at this example English phrase. It says, a little expensive. Again, a little expensive. The Korean translation of this phrase is 조금 비싸요. Again, 조금 비싸요. This phrase is composed of two words. The first word is 조금. This is our word for today, and we already know that this is used to say that something is just a little in terms of amount or degree. The second word is 비싸요. This is an adjective which means expensive. So when we say 조금 비싸요, it means a little expensive. In other words, something is expensive, but not much expensive. It's just a little expensive. So that's 조금 비싸요. So looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 조금 비싸요 is simply a little expensive. And with that, you've just learned 조금. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 266 to 275. For anything else, don't forget, word number 276 is 조금, which means a little. Word number 275 is 수업, which means class or lesson. Word number 274 is cake, which means cake. Word number 273 is kimchi, which means fermented vegetable dish. Word number 272 is 물론, which means sure or of course. Word number 271 is 없다, which means to not exist or to not have. Word number 270 is 맛있어, which means there is taste or delicious. Word number 269 is 해요, which means do. Word number 268 is 봐요, which means see. Word number 267 is 먹어요, which means eat. And the last for our review, word number 266, 가요, which means go. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.